Also show you how to remove the driver front door panel right here. Okay, it's pretty easy to remove. You only held by a few 7mm bolt, and you also have to remove this plastic piece here, this trim. You need to remove that. All right, so first, let's remove this. There is a bolt behind this. You need to remove the cover. All you need is basic hand tools, really. Okay, you can do this with a flat blade screwdriver or a pick like this. We're going to go in the corner here and to pop this off. Seven millimeter. And now the next step is remove the bottom two 7mm bolt on each side. There is one more 7mm bolt behind this trim piece here, so we're gonna remove it. Be careful, we're gonna use a plastic trim removal tool like this. You're going to pop the bottom, upper and bottom piece part of it like this. Cut this one off. Okay, and we're going to do this, and we pull it out that way. Now, as you see here, the metal clip is inside the vehicle, stuck on the door. I'm gonna show you how to remove it. Okay, all you really is a pick again. We're going to go inside of there like that and down, and you do the same thing at the bottom too. It'll come out easily. There it is. And put the old clip back in, just like that. There it is. Good. Now there are two 7 or 8mm bolts, and you need to remove 7. And while we're removing this, pay attention to the locking the rod right here, and there are a few wiring harness back there. You need to pay attention to. Okay, so we're going to start by that side. You need the speaker. Try to pull it. Okay, I'll say use both hands and pull at the bottom, one here and one right there. Okay, and pull it as hard as you can, because this thing is pretty tight. I'm going to pick up on this side here, okay, and you're gonna work your way out all the way here, and pay attention to this here. And there it is loose, and we have to remove the door lock here. For this, you're going to push this down. There you go. Let me show it to you again. You push it down, right? Pull it, and it's out. And for this harness here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull this red tab down. Before you do that, put this harness off here. Okay, and we're going to wiggle this out. There it is. It's free now. We're gonna put the door panel on the side. I'm going to let it rest here. Make sure you plug everything in before you push it all the way to the door. Secure it, and we're gonna put this in. Okay, we're gonna start by the big connector here. I'm going to slide it in. Okay, and attach this push pin here down there. And for this, we're going to go over this hole here and pull it through. That's it. And then make sure you feed your reward here to that hole, and you're going to go over the door and push it through all the secure all the push pins. Okay, as you see here, I'm gonna have it over that side here, and you gotta have it over this side. You got to go over. There is this piece here, you have to go over it just like that. Okay, and now you do your thing. You gotta secure it, push it down. You're gonna hear different clicking noise when you're pushing all the way in to the door. Okay, that one is good. Make sure this line up in the back. It is secure now. Now we're gonna put the bolt in. Now I got all the bolt in. Now we're going to install this piece here. You go in there like that, and there you go. We're gonna put this cover back in just like that. There you go. Let's test everything out. Just go up and down, and we're good to go, guys. Thanks for watching.